Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I'm just trying to, see the autofocus is terrible. I mean it works, but I hope it's not zooming in and out as much. But anyway, I'm trying to figure out my videos and I have my light right here. I'm trying to get it where it's above my camera and you can still see shadows, and my autofocus is kind of screwy. um I don't get it. I don't. And you know, my lighting in my room, I don't have light right above my camera. I don't. And I know Tina from Tina's Crafty World Life, Tina's Crafty Life, I think. On one of her lives, she said that, you have to have light above your work area, and I don't. And that's the problem I'm experiencing. And you can see the shadows. I'm so sorry. But I'm trying very hard to get a better video on my webcam, and I just don't know anymore. I just don't know what to do. I don't know how to make it better, and I'm not going to spend a lot of money on it. This is the best I can do. and um, and I'm trying. I mean, I bought this. This is, I couldn't find the here. I think my camera needs something to focus on. I've tried looking for a lighter poster board. I think that's what people have been buying. This is like a light gray big sheet of paper. I was trying not to go too white, something neutral where it wouldn't be so bad. And I think there's something on here already. And I just taped it to my desk. But I think it's okay. I don't know. But we'll see. Let me know. I mean, I'm trying my hardest. My lamp is here, or my light is here, and the way my setup is, I mean, I have a good sized desk. I just have so much around me that I need at a moment's notice. And like my Copics are on the side here, and my Big Shot is right next to me. Those things I have to have. Now I have some containers that are in front of me that I don't use very often, but my craft space is not very big. So, and I have a day bed here for company in this room, and this is kind of like a catch-all room where well, it's cluttered and it's just, oh my god, I can't stand it. And I'm anyway, but I just wanted to come on to show you my new setup here, and here's my tablet. I had it on this side because of the power strip that I have, and oh, sorry. See, I don't like the autofocus, but watch what happens when I don't have the autofocus. Oh, it didn't do anything. Oh, okay. Well, and see where my light is now? It's right there. But I still get the shadows. I just don't understand. I just don't know. I just don't know anymore. Let me see. I'm gonna try something. This lamp has a control that I can switch. There's that lighting, and there's that lighting. I can make it as bright as I want, and a little bit as I want. Oh, look at that. Okay, and then that is the warm, but see, I still have shadows. Shadows. And this thing does not have like a tilt, like if I can tilt it more. Let me switch it. Okay, here's my light, my bright. And let me see if I can lower it. And does it see, look at the shadows on that. Wow. I just don't know. And that's the other one. And if I go brighter, the shadows are not that bad, but let me change it to I still have shadows. And if I'm gonna do a film or show my items or my projects, I guess that's as best as I can do it. I just don't know anymore. I am tired of doing it and trying to please everybody. I mean, I know I can't please everybody, and I certainly am not going to spend the money to be a professional. I am not a professional. I don't do this for, money. I don't do this for fans. I do it because I love to craft and I like to share. And I love to watch videos, and I love to watch tutorials and haul video. I do like to watch haul videos. That's like my guilty pleasure. I try not to, but sometimes I can't help it. But I like this lighting better than this one. This one seems brighter, definitely. And the shadows are not so bad, but anyway, at least the autofocus is off and it's not blurry. So anyway, if you have any suggestions, or how you do it, I know this is just a piece of paper and it's going to get all like scuffed up and all that stuff from crafting, and I don't know if I really want to tape it to my desk, but I guess for now it will be okay. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Is it better? Is it worse? Do you hate the shadows? Do you... I don't know. I'm done. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll be back with another project. So, thanks everyone. Have a great one. Bye.